Improving your financial situation is one of the hardest things, a phrase I know many of you think about, but it becomes very easy when you think that it is easy to manifest. I don't know how many of you have really tried to manifest with all your potential, but when you do it, you will really feel the changes that will occur in your life. Conny Mendez, one of the greatest spiritual teachers who taught us many techniques on manifestation, and a quiet few of them to attract money into our lives, says that the universe is abundant and constantly providing. Open your arms and receive the blessings that are meant for you. Improving the financial situation of one is not a sin to be committed. It is something that we are gifted. With the manifestation, the words that we speak out, those imagination powers, those remarkable acts that we are able to do, those are all gifts that were gifted to us. So why don't we just embrace the gift that was given? Why don't we take a step forward and embark on this journey of manifestation, with all focus on improving our potential, on attracting something into our life? The technique that I'm going to mention today is said to have given results within no time. If you just say this thing and practice this thing for about just 15 seconds on a daily basis, you will see a positive change unfolding in front of your own eyes. Hello, and welcome back to my new video. If you are new to my channel, hello. As I have already mentioned today's topic, I want you to buckle up in your seat and listen to me carefully till the end of this video. If you don't understand, rewind and listen to it again. If I am going slow or fast, there is always an option for the playback speed in the settings to the right side of this video. Calm down and listen to what I say, concentrate and understand. So let's get started. Unleashing one's power is the greatest thing anyone can ever witness. So if you have unleashed your power, you have already gone into a state where everything is powerful for you. Everything makes sense for you. Everything has a meaning for you, and you understand the life even better. But for many people, the power is still hidden. The power we call as manifestation, the power of attracting things, the power of attracting situations. We do have it, and it is not so much hidden from us. We always take it as something that is hidden. Let me tell you something. Even if you are religious or not, you have had prayed to God or to some higher self at least once in your life. Maybe something is going wrong in your life, and you just stand in front of a statue and pray for things to get better. In spirituality, those are called affirmations. But those affirmations do not really make it into the category of affirmation, because when you are praying, you are asking for some situations. When you are praying, you are asking for certain things to happen in your life. But remember, you don't ask the universe or God or higher power to make up situations for you. You state it to them of how you want the situation to unfold, and the situations will. You tell them, you don't ask. Every word that you speak out of your mouth is affirmation. Every word, every sentence that you speak about the current situation, or any situation in your life, it is attracting the similar kind of situation, the similar kind of feeling, the similar kind of emotion into your life. So, whatever you speak out should be calculated before you really speak out and put it in the universe. This is the power of words. If you understand the power of words, you understand one of the greatest power one can possess. When you pray, or when you sit down for affirmation, and you come back and start or continue with your life activities, you don't go back into reality of negativity. You don't go back into the negative aura of the life. That will do you no good. So try to stay in that positive environment. Try to stay in that positive mindset as much as possible. And when you are out there in the world doing your daily activities, the best way to stay in that positive circle is that you start doing good things, maybe like helping others or listening to them and giving them support of however you can. When you do those things, your vibration is more of a positive vibration, so you attract other positive vibration present in the universe. You have to know and accept the truth of the life that you have. You cannot deny any aspect, even if it is negative. You denying it means you are denying your own life. So, embrace every aspect of your life, even if it is negative, Accept it, and accept the truth that it holds. That way you can unblock one of the blockages that many people seem to have. Discover if you have any and accept it instead of denying. So starting off with the real tasks that you can do to get inside your subconscious mind and train it the way you want it to be. The first step is to relax your mind and your body. Once you relax your mind and your body, you tap into the state of feeling a little bit of power that you have, the power of peace as you may call it. You feel the peace growing within you, you feel the power embracing you, you feel the vibrations around you taking you into consideration. And that vibration feels so much better than the vibration you were in before you were relaxed. Let your thoughts, emotions and beliefs guide you from there, because they are the ones shaping your reality. Be conscious of those thoughts, emotions and beliefs, and make sure that they are the positive ones. Now, let's say an affirmation, shall we? Repeat after me. I do not accept this appearance of scarcity. My world contains everything, and I am abundant in every aspect of my life. Thank you, Father, for today and for taking care of everything. Feel the emotions of the words said, and say it with confidence. Be confident that God or the universe is listening to every word you say, and they are going to give you anything you ask for. Let's say the affirmation again. I refuse to accept the illusion of scarcity. My world contains boundless abundance. I am abundant in every aspect of my life. Thank you, Father, for today, for taking care of everything. Conny Mendez gave some important tips on manifestation, through which your manifestation will start to flourish. But first, remember that you don't just compile the information about the desire of yours. You have to put it in action so that you can visibly see it. The first tip was to repeat. Repetition is the key. You must have heard this phrase used by many people, so understand it. Not that hard, is it? When you repeat the affirmations, you are shaping the beliefs, the thoughts, which actually are responsible for shaping your reality. Repeat these affirmations with feel. Every emotion it carries, every meaning behind every word, feel it. This creates a positive outline around you every time you feel it. The vibrations are positive, the aura is positive, and so will be your outcome. Tip number 2. Make those affirmations the visible part of your life. Stick the affirmations on the walls that you usually gaze upon, or stick in the door you open and close the most. Put it in as a wallpaper of your laptop or your phone, so that every time you see it, you get reminded of your desire, and so that the positive vibration can get to you easily when you are doing the normal activities. Tip number 3 is that you have to be careful of every word you speak, not only the word that is spoken outside, but also the inner conversation you have with yourself. As I said earlier, words are so much powerful that they can shape your reality. So be aware of what you are putting in the universe, because there is no returning of what you asked for. Now put things into action. Your words, thoughts, beliefs, emotions are aligning you with your desire. So do not hesitate to take any action. If you think something is a necessary step to reach your goal, take it. I repeat, do not hesitate. Trust the universe and the process. Have faith in yourself and have patience to embrace the desire. Everything has a timing, and your desires will have one too. By saying this, we have come to the end of this video. If you have come this far, I thank you for listening to me. If you liked this video, press that like button down below and share it with your friends and family. It would mean a lot to me if you even subscribe to my channel for more contents like this. Thank you.